it's me, T. I know, guys. I've been MIA for a while. It's just a lot of stuff has been going on. Good stuff, nothing bad, thankfully. But I've actually been kind of consumed with a lot of different things. So I just wanted to take this time to kind of do a little quick video. So by the title of this video, I'm going to discuss my hair oil that I just made. So I'll show you the video on how I made this. It is so great, guys. I have seen nothing but great results from this oil. It's what I call my magic potion. So, disclaimer first, let me just put it out there. This works for me. So because I've been seeing nothing but great results from this, I wanted to share it on this video with you guys. So maybe you can try it and see if it works for you. If it doesn't, please don't come and attack me, okay? I'm just letting you guys know this has worked for me and I've seen nothing but great results from this, so I wanted to share it with you guys. That's all. So if you are new to my channel, definitely hit subscribe, like, comment. And if you are an oldie but goodie, thanks for stopping by again and holding on tight while I was MIA for a couple of weeks. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Thank you. All right, guys, so here I'm getting ready to add my oils to create this potion that I call it. So that's the extra virgin olive oil. I put a half cup of that extra olive oil to a steaming hot bowl of water. And here, as you would see, our coconut oil. I add about the same amount, a half cup of that as well, to the olive oil. And what's next? Then we have our extra dark castor oil. You always got to have your castor oil, right? It's nice and thick. I add about maybe 1/4 cup of that. And I'm making sure I get every little drop in there because this oil is not inexpensive. It's pretty expensive. So I want to make sure I get every little drop of that in there. Then we have one of my favorite oils right now, which is the wild growth hair oil. And I'm just going to add a couple of squirts of that into the mixture as well. Now, all these oils pretty much complement each other. So I'm not going to keep saying the same thing because it's going to just sound redundant. But they all have the same properties. They all have the same kind of mixture, just like this fenugreek that I just added in there. So that's the fenugreek powder. Then I'm going to add some of the moringa powder. And all of these, like I said, all these ingredients pretty much complement each other. So I don't want to have to keep saying the same thing for each ingredient that I put in this video. So they basically just have the same kind of vitamins, antioxidants. They have a lot of hair growth properties, obviously, reason why I'm putting it on my hair, where it helps thicken your hair, it helps to grow your hair, and it helps to keep your hair healthy and moisturized. And here I'm adding 3 little teaspoons of, not even teaspoons, less than a teaspoon of the MSM. And guys, as you see that little pop up there, subscribe. Please do not forget to hit subscribe while watching this video. And I hope that you enjoy watching. So I'm going to stir these ingredients that you see here into, and this is a hot bowl of water. Water. So I'm just adding that so that it can melt all those ingredients together. And just going to continue to mix that for a little bit. Nice and thick. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my pieces of aloe vera leaf. So I stir those in. I think next time what I'm going to do is just put the gel in there and take the skin out and see what happens. But yeah, so I just cut those little pieces in there and I'm mixing it into those oils that I showed you guys earlier. And now I'm going to transfer it from my glass bowl to this stocking cap so I can drain all those properties into my plastic bowl before transferring it into my applicator bottle. Now, I will definitely let you guys know, when you do this, make sure that the oil is completely cooled. My oil wasn't completely cool, so it was very, very hot. It wasn't spiking hot, but it was still hot. I should have let it cool just a little bit more before doing this part of the video, so it made it a little bit difficult, but it was all good. So now I'm actually going to transfer that now to my applicator bottle. So I'm just going to pour it into the funnel, which would then transfer to the applicator bottle. And it's so weird that exactly how much I made is exactly what fit in that bottle. It was just perfect measurements. All right. And there you have it, guys. That is how I made my hair growth oil. And again, I use this to my hair. Usually apply this to my hair at least 2 to 3 times a week. And I've seen great results. Thanks for watching. All right. So you see how I made the oil. So now I'm going to apply the oil to my hair. And I've been wearing a protective styling for quite some time now. That's the reason why I have this on. And I've been wearing wigs. And I'm going to be actually doing a crochet. You will see that video in the next couple of days. So I've been pretty much wearing my hair cornrow as I'm protecting style during the summer. So I washed my hair. This is freshly washed hair. I washed it yesterday and cornrowed it yesterday because I'm getting ready to do a crochet. So that's basically how I prepare my hair. But before I start doing the crochet process, I wanted to go ahead and oil my scalp. So this is basically the oil here as I showed you earlier and when I made it. And this I applied to my hair about twice a week. I would apply 2 to 3 times a week. I would apply this oil. And it's been doing nothing but great stuff to my hair. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit. And that green color is from the moringa. So I just usually just apply it this way first. And then I apply it to my scalp. So I just get the sides, the back, as you see here. Just make sure I completely coat my hair with the oil. And then I'm going to start adding it to my parts. And just rub it in. This is basically what I'm doing here. And like I said, I do this about 2 to 3 times a week, just to kind of keep my scalp moisturized, because remember, your hair is grown from your scalp. So that's the newest part. That's the newest part of your hair. So you want to always keep that part of your hair moisturized so that it can grow healthy and strong. And then applying an oil like this, I'm looking in the mirror right now. Applying an oil like this will just make it even more better, a lot better. More better. Lord have mercy. So yeah, so that's basically how I keep my hair protected, moisturized, and healthy while I'm protected styling. So hope you guys try it, see if it works, and hopefully it does. If not, again, don't come and attack me. I'm just showing what worked for me. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Let me know if you try the oil and how it's been working for you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.